Hey Gogu, I have one doubt.
What? Is it about your homework or snacks again?
No. Suppose I want to shop for lots of items. How do I write code which will help me to continue the billing process for all my items?
Easy peasy, use a loop.
Loop? What's that? A hula hoop for code?
Not quite. When you want something to happen again and again, like repeating tasks, coding languages use loops.
Sounds smart, but how do I use it?
I'm not a good teacher. I'm more of a snack expert. Ask your school teacher.
Good idea. Off to school then.
Aadi, what's spinning in your brain today?
I want to know about loops in Python.
Oh, loops are like cycling in circles or playing cards again and again.
That makes sense. But how does the computer do it in code?
That part, I don't know.
Cullen, we need real answers, not guessing games.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, coding champs. I saw your fun fair code. Excellent work.
Thank you. But I have a doubt. How can I calculate the total bill for many items without running the program again and again?
Time to learn something fun. Loops. Loops help repeat processes. In Python, we have two types loops. First, while loop, and second, for loop. Let's focus on while loop today. Suppose we want to find cubes of 5 numbers.
We can ask the user 5 times and calculate cubes. Easy peasy.
Kaylin, imagine doing that for 100 numbers. Your keyboard would get tired. Let's make it simple with a while loop. First line, we will call it as counter. Let's initialize it with 1. Now we will apply the while loop. Second line, the meaning of this statement is go on doing the process till the value of I is less than or equal to 5. Finding out a cube is the process that has to be written 1 indent inside to loop. Sixth line, at last increment the counter that is I by 1 after finishing the process. Please observe the program flow. The orange line executes and the counter I is set to 1. Loop starts and will continue till the value of I is less than or equal to 5. Observe the blue-colored part, which is 1 indent inside the margin, which says that the lines written in indent block has to keep on executing till the while condition is satisfying. The process of accepting a number, calculating a cube, and showing result is the task. Increment the value of I once the task gets over. At one point, I will be 6, and the while condition is not satisfying. So control will shift to purple line, which is on first indent. Hope you are clear about while loop.
That sounds cool. Can we try?
Wow, the computer did all the work again and again by itself.
It's like a coding magic trick.
No need to press run again and again. Woohoo!
That's the power of loops. We'll do more with while loop in the next sessions.
Thank you, teacher.
So kids, what did we learn today? If you want your program to repeat a task like a pro, you need a loop. The while loop keeps going until the job is done, like your mom reminding you to clean your room until you finally do it. Don't forget to change your counter, or the loop will go on forever, and no one wants an endless math quiz. Keep looping, keep coding, and don't forget to share your snacks with me. Hey! See you in the next episode, kiddos.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.